Hello everyone, we are here today on the Disney Wish to do a full room tour of a Category 4E Deluxe Family Oceanview Stateroom with an extended veranda. This room does sleep up to 4 adults and has a fantastic amount of space for everyone.
This specific room is very different from the other Category 4E rooms. You can see the kind of standard Category 4E. We've got a link to that video tour down in the description below. But this one is a corner aft room on deck 6. There's only a couple of these on the whole ship. And oh my goodness, the layout is very different, very unique. We love this layout, especially if you want to have a room where someone has their own bedroom without spending all the money for a suite.
Let's go check it out.
All right, when we first come into the room here, you can see the layout is just a little bit different than the other rooms in the 4E category. We've got a huge mirror over here on the left, and they are utilizing that space at the end of the closet for storage, little shelves there. And this room, incredibly unique because you have a divided room with the bed in the kind of the master bed, the real bed in the room, separated by a door from the rest of the room. So over here on the left, we have some closet space. We have the 3-section closet. The first one where you have a couple Disney Cruise Line robes there, some hanging space, a shelf up above, and storage down below for your luggage. The middle section here, we have some shelving, and you're gonna find your life jackets in here in addition to your in-room safe, right down there on that lower shelf. And then the last section over here is an additional closet rod with clothes hangers and a ladder for the pull-down upper berth. That is right here next to the closet area. The couch here folds down into a twin-size bed right on top of the couch, no additional floor space needed. I also really like that they've added this little end table that slides up under the couch. It's really great to get that completely out of the way in the floor here. Not that you really are lacking floor space in this particular stateroom. We have a beautiful picture here of a scene from Cinderella with the fairy godmother, and you can actually purchase that print along with pretty much all the others that are in the staterooms here on the Wish, kind of like they do at Walt Disney World at the Riviera Resort. There's also an upper berth here that your stateroom host can assist you with. They'll pull that down if you need that 4th bed, and that's what the ladder in there is for. We have a TV on this half of the room, and we also have a dresser and a lighted mirror, and as you can see, tons of floor space. This is not an accessible room. It's not quite accessible. They don't have any of the accessibility features, and there's not as much space as they would need in some of the areas, but it feels kind of like that with all the open space we have here. There's some shelves on the wall next to the mirror, also our stateroom phone. There's a little drawer right there below the mirror, and that's where you're going to find your door hangers for ordering the breakfast to the room. The drawer right next to that is where you're going to find your hair dryer here in the room. And then the big drawer down on the bottom is actually our mini fridge. It is a drawer style fridge. They have those in all the staterooms here on the Wish. And then on the dresser, we have some power options. We have 2 regular wall outlets, a 220 wall outlet, 4 USBs, and a USB-C. So you can plug up all of your devices to charge here, and that hair dryer does plug into that 220 outlet. We have access to the balcony, the veranda over here, but we're not gonna go out that door. We'll access that from the bedroom in just a minute. We have 1 bathroom here in this stateroom, but it is a split layout, so you have 2 different doors, 2 different sections. The first half here is where you're gonna find a toilet and a small vanity. A little bit of counter space here, not a ton. There's a few shelves there on the wall and a lighted mirror. You've got that liquid hand soap, and there's a little bit of storage right below the vanity there. There's also a couple small shelves up there on the wall straight ahead of us. The other half of the bathroom is where you're gonna find your tub and shower combo. So you've got the glass door on the tub and shower, just like the other staterooms here on the Wish. The door does open in or out, whichever you'd like to do. You get a single detachable shower head as your shower option in here. We have the H2O products, refillable shampoo, conditioner, and body wash there. And it is an actual tub in here as well. There's a single vanity with some storage down below there. Again, just a little bit of counter space plus those shelves where you have the washcloths and the hand lotion, and then that lighted mirror right there. We have another full-length mirror here on the back of this door in addition to the giant one over there when you first come into the room. Now again, unique to this room, you can close off the bedroom from the rest of the room, and we have a second TV in the room that's in here with the bed. It is a queen size bed, and it is raised up off the ground, so you have storage underneath for your luggage. We've got a bed runner down here with the Disney Wish logo on it, as well as the Disney Cruise Line logo on it. And then the headboard in this room, matching the theming of it, is the Cinderella headboard. There's some sparkles you can kind of see catching the light just right there. Beautiful mural there. And there is a single light shining down on it, and that is controlled independently, so you can have just that light on if you'd like to. It's really nice in the evenings after turn down service. We found a couple little Mickey heads in the room here. They're right there on the corner of the pillows in the embroidery. A nice little Disney touch there. And they're also on the lampshades on each side of the bed. When you turn the lamp on, little Mickey shines through right there. We've got these handy little reading lamps that are also attached on the side of the bed here. And on this side of the bed, we have 2 wall outlets, 2 USBs and a USB-C. And then that small little drawer there for some storage. Other side of the bed, we have a very similar setup with the lamp and the reading lamp. We also have a single regular wall outlet and a single 220 wall outlet. So a little bit different configuration than some of the other staterooms here on board. We have a second closet in the room, this one here in the bedroom. This one just has some shelves. There's not an additional safe in here, but you've got some shelf space there, and you have the other side, a closet rod with some hangers and again, storage space above and below for your bags and your luggage. Now the door here in this bedroom also leads to our veranda, and this is again a 4E category, an extended veranda. In this case, it's not a long veranda sticking out like the other ones in this category are. You can actually see one of those. We have a tour linked in the description down below or at the end of this video. This one's a little bit different. It's a very shallow veranda, and we actually don't even have any deck chairs because there's not much room out here for that. You can see I'm gonna step out here. Pretty narrow veranda, great place to come and stand and enjoy watching as you're here at the back of the ship, kind of as we're sailing away or when we're in Castaway. This would be a great place to stand and watch, but not a ton of space you could put chairs. I guess you could maybe put them out here, but it'd be a little bit tight. But this veranda goes all the way around. This door right here back into our living room, and it just keeps going and going all the way over here into the corner, which I feel like maybe we could add a chair and table over here. So I'm wondering if they might add one here in the future, because it would work here, I think. And they did put the plexiglass in, so if you happen to be sitting, if they bring some chairs out or something, you can still see through the white rails there and enjoy the scenery wherever we happen to be with the ship. So overall, a little bit different than the Category 4Es, but a pretty cool room nonetheless. And that's going to conclude our tour here of this corner aft Category 4E Deluxe Oceanview Stateroom with extended veranda here on the Disney Wish.
We hope you enjoyed that room tour. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up below and don't forget to subscribe.
And check out the channel for tons of other stateroom tours on all the Disney Cruise Line ships and other Disney destinations around the world. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.
We're here with the ears.